Hi everyone, we're rolling out another fantastic update to our tools here at Full Scope Freelancer. This one is going to help your website building experience go so much faster and so much more smoothly. We now have pre-built sections available in the website builder. So what are these? What do they look like? How do you use them? Check it out. As you can see on the screen here, we've got a completely blank website page. We're in the builder. If we go up to the plus icon here to add elements, see all the standard things we're used to, but here in the second section, you can see pre-built sections. If I click here, now we have a ton of different pre-built, pre-made website sections for you that you can drag and drop and use to quickly and easily arrange an entire website page in a matter of seconds. I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. So let's just say I'm going to take here one of these main welcome sections. Boom. That looks great. I'm going to use a list here, perhaps. Yeah, something like this to help people understand what kind of products it is that, what kind of problems my products or services solve. After that, I'm going to add something about the product. Again, this could be your freelance service, your small business product, whatever it might be. After that, I'm maybe going to add, let's see, something about, how about an about page? Here we go. I can add one right here with a nice headshot. That looks great. And then I'm going to add, let's just say a call to action really quick, something easy. Get started today. Boom, boom, boom. And then we also have some footers already built for you. So I'll create one. Let's use this colorful one, even though it sticks out a little, but whatever. So let's take a look. Now, how long did that take? 60 seconds? Less? We've got a beautiful layout. We've got a big fat headline for our page. We have some bullet points to help the customers recognize that they're in the right place to get their problems solved. Here we have an opportunity for you to put your product or services here, highlight them, and then down here you can introduce yourself a little bit. You can have a big fat call to action or maybe a sign up form here for grabbing email addresses, having a newsletter, stuff like that. And then here at the bottom, actually, you know what? This purple really does stick out a little too much. Let's get rid of that, and I'm going to come back and use maybe this normal white header. Oops, can I drag it to the bottom here? Let's rearrange that with the arrow. Boom. All right, and now we've got this great layout here for a footer, which you can, of course, completely customize. You can come in and say, okay, I don't need maybe this second one here. Boom, get rid of that. Set up all the links. Obviously, change the text, change the images, but look at this. You've got an instant layout for a website. And even if you only needed just one of these or a couple of these, it's just a great starting point to get stuff set up and looking good right from the get-go. Then all you really need to do is change the content, change the colors, change obviously, the buttons to link to where they need to go. But you've gotten rolling really, really quickly with this. So we're excited about these pre-built sections. We hope they will help you build and maintain your websites even faster and easier than before. And of course, if you have any questions about using these pre-built sections, just reach out to our team in the account support portal, and we will see you in the next update video.